Welcome to Joliet Junior College's dual enrollment programs. You have three options to choose from, which are Advanced Integrated Maintenance, AIM, Architecture, Construction, and Engineering, ACE, and CISCO program. We will begin with the AIM program, Integrated Maintenance, AIM, Dual Enrollment Program. This high school senior-only program is offered in partnership with Joliet Junior College and will be held at main campus on Hobolt Road in Joliet. Students will participate in 4 separate college courses building skills and awareness in industrial maintenance, industrial fluid power, basic wiring circuit design, and industrial controls. The AIM program will provide students with the core education and technical hands-on skills to further pursue careers in the advanced manufacturing sector. The demand for highly skilled technicians continues to grow every day right here in our district. In the Industrial Maintenance Technology courses, students will learn about OSHA safety programs, maintenance physics, hand and power tools, precision measuring, technical diagrams and assembly prints, fastening devices, lubrication, basic pump operation, and basic pipe fitting procedures. Building on that knowledge, study will continue on the principles of hydraulics and pneumatics as applied to the basic theory of fluids and typical industrial circuits. Students will build fluid power circuits as applied to industrial applications. In addition, students will learn the fundamentals of electrical and electronic circuits, including the calculation and measurement of voltage, current, resistance, and power, with emphasis placed on safe meter usage, print reading, and exposure to a variety of electrical technologies currently used in industry, including introductory residential wiring, operation of AC motors, industrial solid-state devices, variable frequency drives, industrial controls, and single-phase, 3-phase power distribution. Also included are the skills in basic electrical theory, including electron relationship, Ohm's law, power law, and series and parallel circuit characteristics. The students will develop hands-on skills using transformers, motors, magnetic control devices, relays, time delay circuits, reversing circuits, and other control input devices. Students will earn 14 credit hours based on successful completion of the dual enrollment program. Guidance notes, solid math skills needing with record of good attendance and behavior. Joliet Junior College Architecture, Construction, and Engineering, ACE, Dual Enrollment Program. The ACE program is designed to provide the student with a broad overview of the skills and knowledge necessary to pursue an exciting career in the architecture, construction, engineering field. Through relevant and challenging college courses, the student will receive a solid foundation in the introductory and fundamental coursework in the professional tracks of the building industry. The ACE program has been designed for those students interested in the built environment and are considering career pathways in the field of architecture, engineering, or construction management. With 12 hours of college credit to be earned, the student will explore each discipline and it can apply those credits to the track best suited to their interests for further study. Each discipline, architecture, construction management, and engineering, has an introductory course intended to provide the student an insight into the different career alternatives and the educational and professional path available in that discipline. Beyond career exploration, each introductory class also covers the terminology, processes, skills, and industry-specific content to give the student a full snapshot of not just that discipline, but how all disciplines in the building industry work together to build our communities. In addition, the ACE program includes a course in blueprint reading designed to provide the proper knowledge and skills to be able to read a set of blueprints, a fundamental required skill for all disciplines and individuals in the building industry. The students will also receive their OSHA 10 construction safety card and industry credential by successfully completing a 1.5-day weekend training course in the program. Also included is an introductory course in sustainability. While the content covers sustainability in the AEC industry, It also introduces the basic fundamentals in sustainability as a societal, global, multidiscipline approach. The course serves as a general education credit in the pursuit of many associate and advanced degrees. Students will be dual enrolled, earning high school and college credit, and upon completion will earn 12 credit hours. This dual enrollment program is held at Joliet Junior College's main campus. Guidance notes. It is highly recommended for students interested in this program and continuing their education in the profession be enrolled in math courses through each year in high school to assist in meeting the requirements for further study and degrees. Joliet Junior College CISCO Dual Enrollment Program. Interested in career advancement or changing professions? The CISCO program prepares students for the 21st century while serving as a model for successful interactive learning. Starting is easy. The CISCO program introduces technology from the ground up, so no experience is necessary to start. There are no prerequisites to begin. The CISCO program is designed to provide exposure to a broad cross-section of computer and network security topics. The CISCO CCNA security program at JJC provides training that is also recognized by the United States National Security Agency, the NSA. The program includes hands-on experience using tools and equipment to provide businesses and governments both secure and reliable communication systems. Protection of assets, inclusive of malware containment and mitigation and other types of cyber attacks, are also covered. JJC's training is backed by the training resources of CISCO Corporation, the largest cybersecurity and networking company in the world. The CISCO pathway provides students with a diverse education in computers and networking with education in the following areas: cloud, security, wireless, cyber operations, collaboration, voice and video, routing and switching, and advanced protocols. Students will earn 15 credit hours upon completion. Here's what students can expect enrolling in the CISCO program. Experienced instructors teaching in the classroom. Rigorous, engaging courses and online content. Individual instruction and independent study. Personalized assessment feedback. Hands-on experience in labs working collaboratively and individually. Preparation for industry-recognized certifications. Pathways to higher education and careers. Access to global IT support communities, career tools, and social networking. Guidance note: this program is held at the Joliet Junior College Romeoville campus. These opportunities are available, and if you are interested in signing up for one of the programs, please see your guidance counselor. A note to those interested in the program: all students are required to have their own transportation to get to and from their respective college campus. Please direct any questions to your guidance counselor, and they can coordinate with the college's personnel. Thank you.